Throughout this video, you understand what I meant when I said, we are life, we are maths. Hello there. Have you ever wondered how maths is involved with your heart beating? How to measure sound? Or what is an excellent field of view you can see? Or even beauty? Well, out of this short video, you understand all of these things.
Well, without maths, nothing will exist. We say that maths is that old, boring number subject. But who knew that maths was so much more? If you're watching on the other side of the screen, wondering, what's this kid going on about? Well, listen very carefully in the next few minutes, and you will be like Albert Einstein. Well, wait a second, let's not exaggerate. Math is more than just numbers. We are made up of maths. We are maths. Our heart is a special organ inside our body that is about the size of your fist. The heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood around your body, and the amount of maths within the heart is incredible. Many of you adults watching this may not know that you have the total length of blood vessels that could go around the earth 4 times. I know, right? Astonishing. Not forgetting about your children, but your vessels, end to end, can go around the earth approximately 2 times. Well, when most of the viewers currently staring at this screen thinking, how can this be possible? Well, if you observe particularly to the small things in your body, the human eye can't see it. That's how small these things are, and that is how it is possible. Well, not so little things in your body you can see. That is all a mathematical concept, as the blood vessels in your body are all measured in meters and are thousands of feet. Not just that, but the heart's concept of beats are measured in BPS, which means beats per second. Again, a mathematical theory. Not only this, but even your brain has a dedicated area to make sense of numerals, and it is the part of your body that processes these numbers and the equations.
The human eye, also known as naked eye, is an organ that reacts to light. But even the human eye has some breaks. As you may be aware of, us humans blink. But how fast do we blink? Well, on average, a human blinks 15 to 20 times per minute. But can you guess how fast we actually blink? I'll give you a hint. Faster than a single second. Any guesses? Well, don't worry. On average, the human eye blinks between 300 to 400 milliseconds.
Now, let's move towards a more difficult and advanced concept within the body. Typically have been able for a person. This is retrieval and after Roman outdate market retrieval, and the body cycles around the center of the circle, involving a circle within a square. Now, this is where retrieval. What's so special about it? Well, this is a significantly famous sketch done by Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo da Vinci came up with the most famous concept in math, the golden ratio, also known as phi. But phi is more than a term found in mathematics and physics. It appears in our everyday lives, in our aesthetic views. Studies have shown that when test subjects with random faces, ones they deem as attractive or appealing to, other ones with solid parallels to the golden ratio. Faces judged as most attractive show golden ratio proportions between the width of the face, eyes, nose, and eyebrows. These people weren't mathematicians or even physicists. They were just the average day person like you and me. But from a mathematical perspective, that's right, you heard me. You judge the way someone looks with maths without even knowing it.